Well, folks, this is gonna be a fun one today. And this is my first fishing trip back on camera with you guys, so I'm looking forward to this. I don't want to talk anymore. As you guys saw, that was the Fish and Wildlife truck that just dumped probably 300 fish into this little pond. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using to catch them today, and this is gonna be a fun episode. So yeah, as you guys can tell, this is just a stalker pond. Like, I understand that. I'm not going far out into the backcountry and doing the trips that I usually like doing, but this is still fishing for me. This is something that I'm able to do on my arm and it doesn't hurt. I tried bass fishing and it still kind of feels a little eh. So this is something I can do in the meantime and show you guys how to catch stalker trout, because there is stalker trout in pretty much every state. So yeah, let's set up the camera and let's go. There is probably 300 trout in this little pool right here.
I pulled it away at the wrong.
That's ridiculous. So folks, I do have some new gear as well for you guys. I got some new audio stuff. I know I was having trouble with that, but then I've also got a new rod for the tactic I'm doing. So this is really popular down in SoCal. It's called mini jigging. And all this is, you're taking like little tiny, mini tubes, super light stuff, like 1/60th ounce, 1/80th ounce, 1/100th ounce. And you're using on like super ultralight rods. This is a 7.6 ultralight. It's an Okuma Guide Select, Shimano Stradic CI4. I got 4-pound leader and a 5-pound braid. So it's super thin. And the key is you don't really, distance is not the name of the game here. It's the presentation and getting it just small enough to where they're just gonna nip that little thing. So as you saw, they just stalked. So they're really just you're just looking to piss them off, kinda. So yeah, that's kind of the name of the game. I'll explain a little more as we go, but that's it. It's super easy. Almost. Woo.
Okay, back my
There we go.
Yeah.
There's first one of the day. Oh. Woo. Little guy. First little guy of the day. That was like third cast, so there is plenty more of these. I'll get a closer up shot for you guys as well later, but woo! Back he goes. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I mean, the key is they're not far out. They're right in that little pool right there, and it's really just a name of dropping it right in front of the face. I would say of every 10, I would say like 8 of them don't really want it. I don't say 2 really are gonna, chase and attack it. And it's just getting those 2. This is crazy. This is... Ooh, pretty little guy right there. Woo. Little guy. There's a couple bigger ones in there. I'm trying to weed those ones out, but woo. So I'm trying, guys. In this pool here, there's probably 200 plus fish, and most of them are like in this little 10-inch range, but there is a couple in the pool that are about 15, 16 inch, and those are the ones I'm trying to target right now. All right. Oh yeah, there's some fish in there. Doesn't look like a lot, but enough to probably hook a few. So, I mean, as you guys can tell, right? I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds of trout in these little pools. And basically the cool thing is Fish and Wildlife comes in and just stalks the living crap out of this stuff. So everybody gets an opportunity to come out. I mean, this is it's not city, but it's definitely not like rural either. This is like a suburban kind of area. And it's really cool because like you see families out here, you know, you get to see everyone come out and just enjoy fishing. And you know, not everyone has the desire to go hiking, or you know, not everyone can afford a boat, or you know, something like that. Not everyone, you know, people just want to come out and have a nice relaxing day of just catching some trout. And in my case, you know, I'm not really relaxed while I do it. I'm way too hyped up for this, but I'm still having fun. And like someone like me, right, I can't go out and do that, you know, the big stuff right now. So it's kind of cool that, you know, Idaho Fish and Wildlife does this stuff for people. Come on. There we go. Woo. I will say it's a lot of fun, even though they don't fight extremely hard. It is really fun to sight fish them like this and watch them come out and just, you know, destroy your lure right in front of you in this clear water. All right. Pretty little guys like that. That's a little better one. Oh, pretty. Oh, this one's really pretty. Oh, look at this one, guys. Look at that one. Still the beat up fins on the end, but that jaw, look at that. He's got a little bit of a bend going to there. That's pretty cool. Gorgeous. There he goes. There we go, that was a good one. That was cool watching him eat it.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. That was the best one in the school. I was like, is he gonna hit? I don't usually, the little ones beat him to it, but cool. That's a good one.
I was gonna say, if you're gonna cast a man,
Pretty. Woo! That was a pretty ridiculous day of fishing. We probably had 45, 50 fish today. So if you guys want to see more videos like this and how to just catch trout and catch tons of trout, let me know in the comments below. Definitely want to get back to some wild fish as well, but I had fun. That was a fun day. There's a lot more content that's about to be pumped out, and I'm really, really looking forward to making more fishing videos again. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys on the water, and we'll see you guys next time on Humbug Outdoors Fishing.